Okay, so in our project, we're going to use data to find out what's the best city for you to move to. And so we're going to have about 500 different cities all listed out here. And we want to use data to figure out which one's the best for you. So where do we get that data? We're going to use this thing called the Data Commons. So if you click on this, that'll bring you to it. Now this is just one random city in Wisconsin, but we can use that city to find out what kind of variables are available. So here's how you do it. You're going to look for this kind of main drop down of categories. So I'm going to click this here, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. All right, here they are. Now some of them will be super easy to find. So if you click on this, let's say you want to find the median income. There it is. How much does the average person make? Now you don't want to use the one that says median income racine. You want to use this one, so you can apply it for all of your cities. Okay, so that is the DCID, Data Commons Identification. And in your project, maybe you're going to use that to do something with how affordable is this place? Okay. Another thing you can do is you can look for more. Let me go back to this part here. Random ones. Now, they don't always pop out so easy. So let's say I want to do something with education. Let's see what's in there. And I'm like, okay, well, maybe I want to find out what how many people majored in engineering let's see, science and engineering. Okay, great. Well, let's do business. Okay, click on that. So this is how many people are in the business major, but then you can also break it down by age and whether or not they got the bachelor's degree, men or women or whatever. And you can keep on clicking on these. And there's very specific ones. So this is people that are female, bachelor degree or higher, majored in business, and they're in that age group. So it can get really specific. So anyways, when you click on that, this would be the DCID. Okay. And you probably don't want to get too specific because when you combine all the data, you might want to have a broader selection. Okay, anyways, let me show you another thing. You can also search for some stuff. So maybe you want to find out, for example, how many gyms do they have? So I put gyms. Oops, gym. Well, nothing came up. Maybe I want to find out how many grocery stores they have. Okay, so now we have a count of establishment, grocery stores, and then this is supermarket and other grocery stores. So you have to figure out what you want to use here. Let's say I just use supermarkets and grocery stores. Scroll down. And then this one, the ID is not as obvious what it represents, but you can use that. Okay.